Hello friends and followers of DS Plastics. Today I would like to give you a little update on our current activities.
More and more plastic reaches us every week from the bottle recycling stores, from friends, from neighbors and from the volunteers from Scotian Shores. Right now we mostly reach our storage limit. For us that means we have to rethink things a bit.
And that means we have to go bigger and go faster. Our small shredder cannot longer handle the amount of plastic waste generated, so we are working on raising the money for a larger shredder, which is the right way forward considering the plastic waste situation. We don't receive any public funding and try to pay everything out of our own pocket, which is very difficult. In longer term, one of our goals is to expand environmental awareness in our community and to meet the local need for products that are made from recycled plastic and are also affordable. You can now do your part by buying our products or by making a donation that will enable us to purchase a new shredder. Every amount counts. Just contact us. But now back to the updates.
By modifying our plastic extruder, we managed to more than double the plastic throughput,
which creates the opportunity for us to produce newer, larger products that contains more recycled plastic.
We are also working on a mold for XL plant pots twice as large as the previous one.
And our small CNC milling machine is working on creating a device so that we can personalize our combs made out of recycled plastic in the future. We have expanded our selection of injection molds and completed product testing and are now able to offer even more different products for sale. Due to the large amount of bottle caps we receive for recycling, we decide to build a color and size sorting machine. And here you can see the first part of this machine, the conveyor belt made from parts of an old treat mill and some 3D printed parts. We would be happy if you leave a comment below. Just tell us what you think about our projects, and if you would like to stay informed about our news, please follow us and subscribe.